Need to reimburse an employee for miles driven. Adding a mileage reimbursement in ADP ensures it's paid separately from wages and tracked correctly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Mileage is typically not added as regular hours. Instead, you process it as a one-time payment or a special earning. In the Payroll module, when processing a check for that employee, add an earning line labeled Reimbursement or Mileage. Enter the total reimbursement amount. It's best practice to have the employee submit an expense report with trips, date, purpose, miles, calculated at the current IRS mileage rate, which you then use as the basis for the payment amount. My crucial pro tip: use a non-taxable reimbursement type. Configure this earning code in ADP as non-taxable reimbursement. This way, the payment is added to the employee's check, but is not subject to income or payroll taxes, following IRS guidelines. That's how you handle a common business expense cleanly and compliantly. Do you reimburse at the standard IRS rate, or does your company have a different policy? Share it below. For more guides on handling expenses, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.